Hello, this is Bobby at 60PZ Repair with a quick functionality proof video for an LG mainboard that was sent to us. Those are some unique markings that the customer will recognize when I get it back, saying that it doesn't power their TV. We did not repair it. It was just functioning right out of the box. That happens sometimes. The horizontal black bar, as I've said many times in our other videos, just ignore that. It is because there is no connection on the two connectors, sorry, those two, from the top buffer board, the bottom two connectors of the top buffer board, because the screen is bad, and if we connect them there is a high chance that it's going to burn the buffer. We'll just go without that. But of course that's not the reason why the TV will not be coming at the customer's end and coming for us. So that board is functional. We have a little difficulty making the HDMI connections. It feels like the connectors themselves are dirty. You may want to use some cleaning solution for a better contact, but other than that it's not a soldering problem. They are working fine, and the board again powered and operates the TV properly, so we'll be returning it. Thanks.